Hello everyone! For today's video ay kung paano naman po tayo mag-transfer or mag-send money from Shopee Pay to GCash. So ito po guys ay napakadali lang and pakisundan lang po nitong step-by-step tutorial. But before we start, kung hindi ka pa po nakapag-subscribe dito sa channel, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Okay, so before you can transfer funds from Shopee Pay to GCash, make sure na you have internet connection, Shopee account, at yung GCash account na paglilipatan po natin ng funds. And your Shopee Pay account needs to be activated or verified. And the minimum amount is 1 peso and with a charge of 15 pesos admin fee. So, make sure po guys na may extra money po tayo for admin fee, maliban po doon sa isi-send po natin na amount. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first step ay i-open po natin ang ating Shopee application or ang ating Shopee account. Okay, and then dito po guys sa lower right corner, i-click po natin tong Me icon. Then, dito po sa under ng My Wallet, may makikita po tayo ditong Shopee Pay. Okay, so tatandaan po natin ang aking balance ay 115 pesos. Okay, then select po natin tong Shopee Pay. Then, may makikita po tayo ditong cash in, scan, send money, pay, bank transfer, and request. Okay, select po natin tong send money. And then, select other e-wallet. And then, i-fill out po natin dito yung GCash account details kung saan ay doon po natin ita-transfer yung ating money. Okay, please ensure the account details are correct. Okay, so halimbawa po dito sa full name. Then, click e-wallet. And then, select GCash. And then, enter the GCash number of the recipient. Dito naman po, you can turn it on or off. If gusto po natin i-save ang recipient information, after the transfer successful, just turn it on. And then, click na natin tong next. And then, dito po sa send money amount, i-enter nyo po yung desired amount na gusto nyo po i-transfer. As you can see po, with admin fee na 15 pesos, so the total amount na babayaran natin is 65 pesos. Okay, then dito po sa purpose is optional. Pwede po kayo dito maglagay, pwede naman po hindi. Then, click na natin tong next. Okay, then dito po sa confirm transaction, please ensure all the details are correct. Paki-double check lang po natin, especially yung GCash mobile number na nilagay natin. Once po na mali po yung mga detalye na nilagay natin, and your transfer will be sent and cannot be reversed. Okay? Once you're satisfied, click send money now. And then, mag-enter na po tayo ng ating Shopee Pay PIN. Transfer successful. Then, click na natin tong OK. So, ayan nga po guys, ay nagbawas na po ang ating balance dito sa Shopee Pay. And, tingnan po natin dito sa history. So, ayan guys, transfer sent. Okay, so ayan nga po guys, yung transfer details is 65 pesos. Successful po na nailipat po natin yung ating money from Shopee Pay to GCash. Okay, transfer amount is 50 pesos and with fee of 15 pesos. Okay, so tingnan na po naman natin yung aking GCash account. Okay, so ang bilis lang po, ilang segundo lang po ay pumasok na po yung money dito sa GCash. Okay, then tingnan po natin dito sa inbox. And may makikita po tayo dito na GCash funds received. Okay, so makikita po natin dito yung 50 pesos of GCash from ShopeePay. Okay, so sana po ay may natutunan po kayo sa tutorial video na to. And kung bago ka lang sa channel ko guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And click nyo na rin the notification bell nang sa ganun po ay maging updated po kayo sa mga susunod ko pa pong mga tutorial videos. Okay, thank you for watching.